What's good, Team No Space? It's been a minute since we chatted. I figured why not start off a little video today. Today's a pretty important day because I'm gonna go see Rudy. You guys know Ryan. He's been in the vlog so many times. One of my best buddies. And man, it's tough to get together with people during COVID. You guys know it. So I figured why not make a little video, a little vlog, go see my buddy, make a video, and go have some fun. So we have a little bit of a plan to go for a bike ride. Hopefully that works. And if it does, we'll get some shots for you. Just kind of take it as it is, right? Just a light video. Let's go see my boy Rudy. Let's go.
Look who it is. Haven't seen you in a while. What do you, what's new?
Just got COVID, bud.
You got COVID?
Okay.
Oh no. All right, let's go enjoy the day, man.
Roads closed to give people some space for COVID. Pretty good. Got the whole eastbound ramp to ourselves. Not bad.
Time to toss on a mask. We're gonna go grab a beer at a place called Joe Bird. Let's go. Jesus. Someone's looking to scrap.